wicked, me say you want it feature pen. You write books, film, song, not even this so it end. The way you work, them I feel respect it, my friend. Nah, I beg nobody, no.
Hello everyone. Yeah, J Mullings from Ritmer here, AKA Wicked Penman. I'm gonna keep this brief, I'm gonna keep this quick. Sorry. Yeah, put the bird in the sky. Battery was running low, so it kind of messed up the video. I'm keeping an eye on things because I gotta pay attention to how much battery is left. Right, let's get straight to it. What do you need to start a YouTube channel? A camera, and that could be either your smartphone or a tablet if you have a tablet, or it can be, if you already have a drone that you use recreationally, you can do that like I'm doing now. I just got the drone turned on and yeah, it's pointed at me. Obviously the battery, normally if the battery wasn't dead, I'd be flying it and this would be more dynamic, and you can see the quality is pretty good. You know, what is giving me all sorts of warnings right now. But yeah, we're not flying anywhere, so we should be good. I was saying, if you're an expert in your field, then if you're a seamstress, for instance, people might want to know how to perform certain types of stitching, something like that, then immediately that content is going to be of value to someone and you should start on that immediately. If you're starting a journey on something, then again, people may want to take that journey with you. And you know, if you've been following my channel, you know that I'm on a journey as a writer, filmmaker, and obviously doing music. So that's kind of the draw, but I can speak on subjects regarding those three industries as something of an expert in terms of the theory side of things. And with audio and video stuff, I'm an expert on a practical level because I practice it regularly. Music, I'm still learning, but that's what the draw is of my channel. That, and I speak my mind, you know what I mean? You're not gonna find no product placement, none of that stuff. You know, it's just me sharing generally what I think and trying to keep the visuals interesting, and that's really the journey I'm on. There's another route, of course, which is the current affairs route, or pop culture, right? So even, you know, if I was to walk around, make this kind of, you know, the sound, you know what people say, ASMR, people follow things like that. You could have a channel that's what your channel is about, ASMR, right? Or it could be, again, with pop culture, you know, celebrity news and so on and so forth. The other day, Megan Thee Stallion got shot in the foot. You'd be welcome to go all the way in on that and speak whatever you want about it, and whether you predicted it or not, or whether you thought this, that, the third. There is something to be said, whether you're the first person to get the news or not, or you're reacting to the news. You could build your platform based off that. Reviews of products and services, so on and so forth. There is no shortage of content that you can use to launch and begin your YouTube channel. But yes, like I said, immediately what you need is a microphone, a decent quality microphone. It doesn't have to cost the earth, but you want something other than your onboard sound to capture what's being said. Especially in this situation where I'm using my drone, you can record audio directly to this thing. I could even live stream using this, but I prefer to spend time with my audio. That's just, again, I think that's like the filmmaker in me. And then obviously doing music, it's all about, you know, audio fidelity, audio quality. So I'm happy to always kind of take my audio away, sit with it, make sure that what I'm sharing is useful and prudent and, you know, sticks to the message. Batteries are running low on this, but also it's pretty nice out here. And as you can see, I'm not being bothered by anyone. So hold on, let me give you a quick show of the sky. See if we can, I could pick it up and turn it around. Yeah, this is called manual droning. I'll start a channel on that. But yeah, essentially, there we go. That's what we're seeing at the moment. Again, no battery, so this is all manual at the moment. And yeah, so essentially, this is what your YouTube channel can be about. And like I said, the how is, there's no really wrong way to kind of launch. People do get better and improve. Same principles for if you're doing like a podcast, so on and so forth, really. And it's, you know, Hold on, I got my, oh wait, check out the Rastaman belt still. It's a bit, yeah. Anyway. But yeah, I'd say just give it a go. See what can happen. There's no real wrong way of doing this thing. The only wrong thing is obviously if you forget to record to your memory, which everyone, well, I can't say everyone. I did it once during my filming. In fact, I didn't forget my memory card. What I did was I wiped it prematurely, thinking I'd already transferred what I had on there. So again, you make these mistakes and you grow as a creative anyway. So yeah, I think that's about covered it. You know what I mean? I've given you the theory and some on the kind of channels that you could create and do very well. If that's your wish. If your wish is to review things, there's a big market for that. If your wish is to, you know, predict the future on things, there's also a big market for that. So, you know, don't discount it. But yeah, most of the biggest thing you do need is of course bravery. You know, it's all about, you know, in each person's own right. It's about trying to be the best in any category. So if you're trying to do your YouTube thing, go ahead and do that. If it's podcasting you're doing, go ahead and be the best. But you know, just try and overcome that quality, you know, that quality threshold. Try and get over that real quickly, so that you could just focus on delivering the best quality content you can. Not sure what else I can really say. I've tried to keep this to, yeah, this is just under 10 minutes, and I got loads of B-roll. It's a beautiful day today. It's a shame, like I said, my drone controller, this thing, is dying, and the battery on my last, I brought my batteries out, I burnt them all the way through, and the sun has decided to show its face properly now, whereas before it was covered behind a set of clouds. But yeah, J Mullings, written mirror. Oh my God. Okay. But yes, thank you for tuning in, and for everyone that's been supporting the channel, appreciate you. Lockdown's over, so I can finally be out here where I belong again, so it's good to be back. All right, take it easy.
Yo, you know, it's a long time I forget that change of pace, yeah. You know, I like it. Sound like that J. Cole, Forest Hills type ish. You see? But watch what the real hard man I gonna do with this. Yo, who make it? Talk up. No.
What's wrong with me?
New vibe, new rhyme, new style. New pattern, new things, new time. Them a beat make bad man smile. But you know a new thing me a try. When it come to the bars, me no shy. When it come to your broad man a guy. Man a archer with red eagle eye. Guy test that a boom bye. Make me change up the flavor and give you more rhyme. The way me wicked with a pen I bring you pure vibe. Yo, make us settle down. Next class your forum. Play this at your forum. Big sound like store love. Retro one with a new speed. We have smoke some good weed. No sticks and no seeds. To the top we a proceed. Bad mind have to go sleep. In here girl we a go deep. Big can't call the police. Not even that coulda stop we. 66 coulda catch we. You're unlucky like the lottery. We make hits like the factory. Have your girl a suck off it. Move on with a new style. The whole world with a big smile. Them a vibes that we never spoil. Resistance is
magic
fragile.
in the air. Tell them to beware. Spellbound in the clear. We don't live in fear.
Yo, welcome back for the encore. More gal like a Portmore. Retro one with the new score. Wicked Penman if you're unsure. Make me change up the cadence and give you more style. The way me wicked with that pen I bring you more smiles. Yo, yes I mean this. Me no need nobody for no remix. Yes me do it quicker if it needed. In a moment that me I lead it. If you're a girl sick to me I go. Let me change it up on them. Bumbleclot. Alright, watch it up. Hike me the ball and I run with it. Hike you the ball and you fumble it. What? Hike me the ball and I run with it. Hike you the ball and you fumble it. What? I freestyle and have fun with it. You freestyle and you're bombing it. Ha 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 ha. I freestyle and have fun with it. You freestyle and you're. I do it. So me say you can't catch me.
No way.
I'm sitting on cloud 9 with some trees. You're on a tag like dog with small leash. Hold me once so fearless. Me murder the beat and a careless. Lyrical crow cause it's fearless. When music hit you it's painless. Blaze up the sense and no feel stress. Yo!
There's magic in the air. Tell them to beware. Spellbindingly clear. We don't live in fear. Air.
Them no need not a next verse. I'm a walk in a hit like a Converse. Me and the beat just a converge. Brand new flavor, watch it start burst. Some boy fi dead, call the damn hearse. Sound it, trap it and burst. You want it? Then fly up first. Yo, graveyard.
Magic
Why
in
them
the
things in them
air.
damn graveyard? Report them
Tell them
brave
to
heart.
beware. Spellbindingly clear. We don't live with
AKA Wicked Penman.
We don't live with
Any kind of beat off a dead man.
magic in the air. Tell them to beware. Spellbindingly clear. We don't live with fear.
And I'm out.